we enter this 8th round, you know, the swelling has been controlled here on the face of Chris Algieri. It actually looked a little bit worse in the first couple of rounds.
Alamang natuto na sila from the Ruslan Tomato fight, no? If they were able to manage that, then nothing less than that, anything less than that should be easier. That's exactly what's happening right now. But Algieri has to really step up at this point if he wants this to be a more competitive fight. But he's doing what we expected him to do, which is trying to extend this fight and hoping that sometime, somewhere in the next couple of rounds, something happens.
Pero parang hinihingi niya, makachamba siya eh.
Well, the only way that he can fight Manny Pacquiao and fight decently is from a distance. And he's not going to engage very clearly. And I hear his cornerman telling him to just stay outside, throw the jabs, throw the right when you can. By the way, because of the Ruslan Podvodnikov fight, where he had that big swollen eye, he employed a new cutman, Javier Spitz. Jacob Spitz, the one who's in his corner.
Which, of course, is well known to be a UFC cutman. Doon talaga siya nagtatrabaho. There's a slight clash of heads in. Sabi ni referee Rodriguez, slightly just warning both fighters. A minute and a half gone dito po sa ating 8th.
Nice block by Algieri on the left-hand lead by Manny. He's moving with the jab. He has to do more of that. Oh, partner, alam niya eh. That's something about this Algieri fight. He knows what to do. But somehow, again, I think the presence of Manny Pacquiao, as Kenito said, changes everything for any fighter that steps on the ring with Manny.
You cannot train for that speed that Manny brings.
Left hand by Chris Algieri. Manny just pressing forward. Alam niya, kaya niya yung mga suntok.
Manny now pushing forward a little bit more than he has in the previous round. Under 30 seconds already.
A very defensive fight here for Algieri. Unfortunately, defense won't win you points or rounds in the fight. You've got to show some offense. And so far, wala pa nakukuha round dito si Chris Algieri.
2/3 of this